Hello, friends. Good evening. See, most of the times we repeat the same mistakes again and again. Have you ever analyzed why we are doing and repeating the same mistake again and again? See, why we repeat the mistakes is, at some point of time, we do not want to take somebody's else opinion. Okay, it is very difficult to follow someone's else opinion and to implement those ideas in our own life. At such times, what you need to do is you need to analyze yourself, like what you want to do actually. See, most of the times when we are wrong, okay, when I'm suppose I'm doing something wrong for myself, what I do is that my brain at one point of time will tell that most of the times what I am doing is right. Okay, I cannot go against myself. It is very difficult task to do. It is very difficult task to go against my own decisions and on my own sins. For example, I have committed a sin of, for example, I have committed a sin of like maybe drinking, okay, and after drinking, and I'm just disturbing some people in the society, okay, I have hit someone with a stone. What I'll do is my logical mind will say that you are not wrong. Though you are drunk, you spoke very nicely with him and you did not hit to hurt him. So this is my justification. So most of the times, to implement some good idea, okay, to take the opinion nicely from other person, we don't agree it. One point of time our ego comes in, our logical minds comes into picture. We try to take, we try to always say that I am right, at my angle I was always right. This is that stand which we take against myself. See, I cannot win against a person who himself is not agree to accept me at any point of time. Okay. When acceptance levels are high, then only some good can really enter into your mind. If your acceptance levels are very poor, I don't think so you will accept any good decision or any good suggestion from anybody else in your life. So for example, you are like a person where you are just hitting the door, okay, you're just hitting your door and continuously you're hitting the wall basically. You're hitting the wall. You know that at one point of time there is a door. If you just go left side of this place, of this wall, you'll find a door, and from there you can take an exit which leads you out of the house. But what you will do most of the times is you keep on hitting your door, keep on hitting your head to the wall, and you bleed, you cry, and you make nonsense. Why you do the same thing? At some point of time you think that your judgments are right and the route which you are following is also right. So to prove that, what you do is that you hit your head against the wall, okay, and again you bleed it. And one point of time when you start bleeding, what you will do is that you come to people saying that my decisions went wrong, and you blame other people's for the wrong which has been happened to you. It is like, you again go to various people, like you have an infection and you went to various people and you throw and show to your problem to them, and various doctors has advised you various medicines, and you went to various shops and purchased all the medicines from the shop, and now you're just looking at the medicines and you're telling that all the remedies with me, okay. At the same time you visited 15 20 doctors and took all the prescriptions, and you tell that now I have all the prescriptions and now my health will be all right. It is not like that. You cannot just decorate your house with medicines, and without taking the medicines on time you think that you'll get a solution. It is not like that. You need to take the medicines as per the prescription which has been given by the doctor. So this is all about how you make a conscious effort in order to bring the change in your life. Okay, if you have a high level of acceptance, you can see that the other part of the person who is approaching you is not, he's just like he's, if you just look at the outer aspect, he's just a flesh. But if you look at the inner aspect, he is a consciousness like you, who is also evolving. Okay, he's an evolving consciousness who is approaching you for your betterment. If you take the other people, if you can invite the other people in your life, you can invite the suggestions of good suggestions of other people of in your life and implement it in a proper way, then what will happen is that that door will open. You do not have to hit your head to the wall. So this is a very conscious talk which I'm trying to make you, because most of the people uh, take advices from so many people, but if you look at the implementation part is very less. So hope guys you will not just take advices, you will also follow, understand and listen to the advices which is given to by the people. See you guys. This is Umakant. We'll catch up in my next videos where I'll speak about the subtle topics of life. Catch up, guys. Bye.